Hi, I'm Hugh from The Language Professional. Welcome to Sound Sounds. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to pronounce this sound. This is one of the vowels in the English language. Have a listen. Ah. Again. Ah. Notice how short this sound is. Ah. To make this sound, we need to open our mouth into a really wide, smiling position. We need to open our jaw downwards as well so that our tongue can be low in the mouth and forward in the mouth. Our tongue is low and forward. Ah. Ah. Okay? Wide, long, tongue low and forward. Ah. If you find yourself making this sound, eh, then your mouth is not tall enough. Your jaw needs to be lower. Ah. If you find yourself making this sound, ah, then your mouth is not wide enough. Make it wider, like you're smiling. Force those smile muscles. Keep your tongue down and forward. Ah. Notice how short that sound is as well. Ah. Let's practice pronouncing this sound in some words. Repeat after me. Sad. Hand. Cat. Back. Okay, and now let's look at using this sound in a phrase. Here's one. So this phrase has 6 different ah sounds. We have dad, sad, as, had, bad, and back. Now that word as will, when we speak quickly, might actually sound more like us, as it's not a stressed sound. So perhaps there's only 5 after all. So let's try practicing saying this whole phrase after me. Back. Bad back. Had a bad back. As he had a bad back. Sad. Dad was sad. Dad was sad as he had a bad back. Dad was sad as he had a bad back. Dad was sad as he had a bad back. Dad was sad as he had a bad back. Okay, I think you got it. Well done. Here's another example for you to try on your own. It should sound a little bit like this. Mad Max sat at the back of the bank and planned. Mad Max sat at the back of the bank and planned. All right, good luck.